Decorating with atf. Function changes if condition output. I am trying to evaluate if my variable I is empty, i.e. a has size equals 0. However, when decorating the code with atf. Function, the if statement incorrectly evaluates as true, whereas when removing the decorator it evaluates as false. tf.size seems to correctly evaluate to 0 in both cases. How to fix this?
It's a little bit of a head-scratcher, but once we understand that tf.function is mapping Python ops and control flow to a tf graph, whereas the bare function is just executing eagerly, we can pick through it and it makes a lot more sense. I have tweaked your example to illustrate what's going on. Consider test 1 and test 2 below. These are identical to one another except for the tf.function decorator. Now executing test 2, tf.variable, gives us, which is the behavior I assume you'd expect. Whereas test 1, tf.variable, gives. There are a couple of things, beyond the fail, about this output that you might find surprising. The print statement prints out a yet to be evaluated tensor rather than a 0. The order of the print and the tf.print have been reversed. This is because by adding the tf.function we no longer have a Python function but instead have a tf graph mapped from the function code using autograph. This means that, at the point that the if condition is evaluated, we have not yet executed tf.math.not_equal, tf.size, a, 0, and just have an object, an instance of a tensor object, which, in Python, is truthy. This means we get to the print fail statement in test 1 before having evaluated tf.math.not_equal, tf.size, a, 0. So what's the fix? Well, if we remove the call to the Python-only print function in the if block and replace it with an autograph-friendly tf.print statement, then autograph will seamlessly convert our if else logic to a graph-friendly tf.condominium statement that ensures everything happens in the correct order.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.